Young Thug's RICO trial chaos continues as new judge recuses herself. Young Thug and YSL's long-running racketeering trial took yet another wild turn as the new judge took herself off the case due to a perceived conflict of interest. On Wednesday, July 17, Judge Ingram, who had been randomly assigned to the case just 2 days prior, wrote an order recusing herself. In it, she explains that her former deputy is the same person who was accused over a year ago of sneaking contraband to one of the YSL defendants, Christian Eppinger. As a result of the incident, Eppinger's case was severed from the rest of the defendants. Because this court's former assigned deputy could be called as a witness in any future proceedings in this case, the court may be called upon to assess this deputy's credibility or rule on matters related to her criminal prosecution, Ingram wrote. This may undermine the public's confidence in the impartiality of the proceedings. A new judge has been announced as of this writing. Ingram was on the case in the first place because Judge Glanville, who had been overseeing the trial since its beginning, was removed on Monday, July 15. Thug's lawyer Brian Steele had filed a motion to dismiss Glanville from the case after he met with prosecutors and state witness Kenneth Copeland last month without the knowledge of the rapper and his legal team. In the aftermath of Glanville's removal, Steele said in a statement, "Jeffrey Williams, a.k.a. Young Thug, is innocent of the charges brought in this indictment, and to clear his name, he sought a speedy trial, one in which he would receive the constitutional guarantees of a fair trial with an impartial judge presiding and ethical prosecutors following the law." He continued, "Sadly, Judge Glanville and the prosecutors have run afoul of their duties under of the law. Mr. Williams is grateful that the reviewing court agreed with him and entered the order recusing and disqualifying Judge Glanville from presiding over Mr. Williams' case. We look forward to proceeding with a trial judge who will fairly and faithfully follow the law." Attorneys for Thug's co-defendant and fellow YSL rapper Yak Gotti, real name Diamante Kendrick, have also announced that they will file a motion for a mistrial in the turbulent case. Controversy around Glanville erupted in June after he had a private meeting with Copeland and prosecutors, which critics argue should have happened in open court. Follow Real Spit TV for more details.